So today we will see practice at 9.2. In 9.2 you will learn about the commission, how to find the commission. Okay, so first of all write the basic formula of commission, that is commission commission is equal to percent commission into selling price. Percent commission into selling price. So this is the formula of commission. So all of you note down that you will be required this to solve the example. Okay, 9.2. See, first example, John sold books worth rupees 4,500 for a publisher. For this, he received 15% commission. Complete the following activities to find the total commission John obtained. So, first of all, John had sold a book for 4,500 rupees. So, in the first sum, they had told you to write the selling price. That is, selling price is clearly mentioned in in the question. Okay, so what is the selling price? Selling price is rupees 4,500. Okay, now rate of commission. See, rate of commission is also provided in the question itself. Rate of commission, that is 15, which is provided in the question. Now commission obtained. Now they had told you to find out the commission. So you have to use the above formula which I had told. Commission is equal to what, beta? Percent commission into selling price. So percent commission, that is 15 upon 100 into 4,500. So you get commission of rupees 600.
675.
Yes, 675. Now, second one. See, Rafiq sold flour worth rupees 15,000 by giving 4% commission to the agent. Find the commission he paid. Find the amount received by Rafiq. Okay. Now, he had sold the flowers for 15,000. For the commission was 4%. Now they had told you to find the amount and the commission paid. Okay. So first of all, let's write what the things have been provided. They had provided you selling price, which is rupees 15,000. Then commission in the percent form they had been given. So commission is 4%. They had provided you. So first of all, we will find out the commission. So to find the commission, you have to use the formula. Commission is equal to percent commission into selling price. So that will be 4 upon 100 into selling price. They had given 15,000, right? So let's solve this. You'll get answer rupees 600. Okay. Now here you had find out the commission, right? After this, you have to find out the amount received by the revenue. So to find the amount, you have to do amount is equal to SP minus commission. So that is 15,000 minus 600. You get the answer rupees 14,400. Okay. See the third one, that is so easy. A farmer sold full grain for rupees 9,200 through an agent. The rate of commission was 2%. How much amount did the agent get? So, in short, they had told you to find out the commission, but in this question, they had not directly mentioned that you have to find commission. But they had told how much amount did agent? Agent is a person which get commission, right? So you have to find here again commission. So in the third, that the given, see, selling price is what? Rupees 9,200. Then commission in percent had been provided, that is 2%. Okay, so directly write the commission formula. Commission formula is percent commission into SP, selling price. Okay, this is a formula. Previous we had written this. So it will be 2 upon 100, right? Into 9,200. So after solving this, you get answer rupees 184. Okay, get the answer is 184. Chalo, completed. See, in the fourth one, Umatai purchased the following items from a Khadi Bhandar. First, 3 saris for rupees 560 each. Second, 6 bottles of honey for 90 rupees each. On the purchase, she received the bet of 12%. How much total amount did Umatai pay? Okay, fine. First of all, let's find the total of each item. Means, see, like cost of 3 saris. Okay. So each sari was of 560, right? So she purchased 3 saris. So you just have to multiply just 3 into simply 560. You will get total amount, that is 1680. Similarly, just like that, cost of 6 bottles of honey, right? So she purchased 6 bottles and each bottle was cost for 90 rupees, right? So 540. Okay. So now you got the total amount like for each item she had paid. Now we will add both this, like how much she total paid for everything, like everything. So that will be total amount cost is equal to simply 1680 plus 540. You get the answer, rupees 2220. Okay, so write like this so you will understood each and everything clearly. Okay, so now let's find the rebate. Now the formula for rebate is C cost into rate of rebate. Please note down this formula, that's important. Cost means here total cost. Okay, so the total cost you had find out, that is total amount, that is 2220, right? Into rate of rebate. Rate of rebate means just simply the 12% rebate. See, it is mentioned in the question, a rebate of 12%. So just you have to write that 12 upon 100. By solving this, you get the answer of 266.40. Okay. Now they had told you to find the total amount Umatai pay. Okay, total amount. So to find the total amount paid is equal to total cost minus rebate. That is 2220 minus rebate amount is 266.40. To solving this, you get the answer 1953.60. That is 1953.60. Okay, see. Uh, Now we will see the fifth one, but fifth one will be your homework. Try to solve it. If you can't, then just tell me. Okay?